Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this YOTON Y3 mini projector. Ooh, with 5500 lumen, it's a portable projector because it's really handy. You can use it really good for camping, for vacation, and of course in your garden, in business trip, where you like, because this is a small dimension projector and you have a wall there, no prop for it. Maybe it's white wall, superb. Then you can bring a nice and good viewing image and video projection onto the wall. This projector is a pocket-prone projector for home theater, and it supports personal computer, laptops, tablets, Fire Sticks, smartphones, USB sticks, PlayStation, that means console, or DVD players or Blu-ray players with HDMI support. This mini projector is only a palm size and weighs only 0.9 pound. These are 420 grams. It can bring us a mini theater in summer gardens, for example, in the back country camping, in the bedrooms and children's room, or where you like. It is equipped to dock it to a tripod, for example. The projector angle and the height can be adjusted at our will. We have to plug it into an AC power socket, of course, yes, because it's not with a battery powered. It is using the power supply for it. The home projector can plus minus 15 degrees keystone correction and focus function, 25% zoom function with the remote control. It helps us to get a clear picture quickly. With the HDMI, USB and audio interface, it's compatible with personal computers, tablets, smartphones, TV boxes, Fire Sticks, Chromecast, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox, U-Disc, and so on. Reconnecting to the phone requires an HDMI to Lightning adapter, of course, if you're going to use an iPhone, for example. HDMI to wireless dongle is possible too, but it's not included. It's a portable projector Y3, adopts advanced optical mechanism and projection technology. These outdoor projectors dissipate heat faster than other similar projectors. It have a less noise of around about 30 decibel. It's energy saving and environmentally friendly. This mini projector Y3 is a good choice for children to watch cartoons and videos, and also a nice gift for friends to have fun in the summertime, because YOTON makes every family have their exclusive cinema, if we like, with that video projector here. We will get the projector Y3, a power cable, an HDMI cable, and a remote. We have buttons on the projector itself. We can go left, right, OK, up, menu, or down signal, and the power button. You can also use the remote control easily to control nearly every option. We have a power switch there, rewind, play, pause button, a left, OK, back, volume down, mute button, fast forward, up, right, down, signal, volume up, and menu button. So you can see it's really easy. On the back side of it, we have an IR receiver, a power supply, an audio out port, HDMI for PlayStation or Xbox or other consoles, and Blu-ray players, USB port for example USB sticks. We have a keystone correction on the side and focus wheel. With that, too, the keystone correction, we can make a focus wheel and a keystone correction by our own, and it's really easy. We plug the power cord into an outlet. When you take off the lens cover, we press the power button to turn on the projector. We press the source button or the V button to select the input source. For example, we can adjust it onto a tripod to make it a little bit easier to adjust it to the wall. We adjust the keystone and the focus. We the wheel to get the clear image, and then we connect our device to the projector, for example, an iPhone or an iPad. An official Lightning digital AV adapter is required for that, or we can use an Android phone, an USB-C to HDMI adapter, or a Miracast or a dongle for project is there required too, and then we can dock it easily on the HDMI port. But there's more. We can use with the HDMI port nearly every console out there easily. The projector distance is 1.184 inches projection size. The projector itself can handle from 33 inches to up to 142 inches. So you can see it's big dimensions where you can bring a really clear picture and video onto the wall. The emerging technology is an LCD. The light source is a light emitted diode. The native resolution is 1280 to 720. So we can make a supported resolution of 1080p, 1080i, 720p, 576i, 480p, and 480i. The aspect ratio is 4:3 or 16:9. The throw ratio is 1.1 to 1. The project distance is from 1 up to 4.5 meter. The screen size goes from 30 up to 120 inches. The focus is manually. You can adjust it by your own. The input is HDMI, AV, USB, and aux. The built-in speaker is 3 watt, 4 ohm. The projector input voltage is DC 21 volt, 1.8 ampere. And the power adapter voltage is from 100 volt up to 240 volts. So you can use it worldwide. The net weight is 0.93 pound. The dimensions are 5.4 to 3.5 to 2.8 inches. Of course, we can throw images to the wall with bitmap, JPEG, PNG, and so on. And of course, videos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.